Okay, cut off, but okay. Concern in the short term with the possibility of long-term rewards if you go off leash with both eyes open and your nose to the air, finding the most pleasure in the feelings of the moment with no attachment to the future, you'll be fine, or just enjoy the feeling without having to act on it. Okay, so let's just look at the rest of the cards. Tenderness, gentle, loving care. Boredom, time to sit and stay. Openness, I'm not going to read every key thing. Loss. Imagination. That's so cute. Balance, steady as she goes. Celebration, acknowledge your victories. Creativity. Lust. Significance. Choice. Breakthrough. Wild dog. Playfulness. Leading. Patience. Belonging. Anger. Passion. Contentment. Fear. Oh, I don't like that. Acceptance. Dreaming. Dream big. And last card, allowing. Let it happen. And that is today's review. I love this deck. It's a really fun deck to work with, and it makes a great gift. So thank you for your time and your energy. Until next time, take care and much love.